sweet milk watermelon pasta soup or sweet watermelon milk pasta bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most tastiest of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes. If you like the video, please subscribe. Today we are going to make watermelon milk pasta soup. We've taken around 200 grams of watermelon, from which we have taken the red pieces, red flesh, and separated from the green shell, 3 to 4 cardamom, and around 15 grams of raisins. Now into a heated pan, pour in the around 200 ml of milk and let this milk boil. Wait for the milk to boil. Once the milk starts to boil, put in 2 to 3 spoons of sugar. Mix thoroughly. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Now the sugar is dissolved. Keep the boiled milk aside. Heat another pan. Let the pan get heated. Now pour in 15 to 20 grams of clarified butter. Put in the raisins. We've taken cracked raisins here. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Now put in the cardamom piece. Put in the vermicelli pasta, around 100 grams. Now sort the pasta and the cardamom together. Keep on sorting. Now put in the watermelon piece. Sort that. Keep on sorting. Thoroughly sort and mix. Put in 4 spoons of sugar. Thoroughly mix. Mix the sugar and the pasta and the watermelon together. Keep on sorting. Now pour in the milk that we boiled earlier into the mixture. Mix. And heat for 1 minute. Mix all the ingredients together. and let the mixture get heated. Now let the mixture cook for 10 minutes. Now put in the raisins that we fried earlier on top. Now the sweet watermelon milk pasta soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet watermelon milk pasta soup or sweet watermelon milk pasta bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most different of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.